Today, Southern Gardening is at Buds and Blooms in Wesson, Mississippi. Let's take a look at some of their beautiful sedum varieties they have available. Sedums, also known as stonecrops, are a type of succulent plant that are known for their fleshy, round leaves and bright, showy flowers. They come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Aurora sedum is a beautiful succulent plant with thick, fleshy leaves that are arranged in a rosette pattern. The leaves are a soft green color with a pinkish tint, and they have a powdery coating that gives them a matte finish. When grown in full sun, the leaves develop a bright pink hue around the edges, adding a splash of color to any garden. Burro's tail sedum, a trailing succulent plant, is a widely cultivated houseplant in many parts of the world. This plant is named after its long, trailing stems that resemble the tail of a burro or donkey. The stems can grow up to 3 feet long and are covered with small, plump, light green leaves that store water. Burro's tail sedum is a low-maintenance plant that requires bright, indirect light and well-drained soil. Orange Delight sedum, known for its vibrant color, is a popular choice for home gardens and landscaping due to its hardiness, drought tolerance, and ability to thrive in a variety of conditions. The leaves of Orange Delight sedum can vary in color depending on the specific growing conditions, but they generally range from a bright green hue and take on an orangish or bronze tint as the plant matures. There are hundreds of varieties of sedums to use in your containers, gardens, and landscapes. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.